Good morning from Bosque del Apache National Wildlife Refuge. I'm here along the Loop Road. It's a snowy morning, Friday, December 28th, 2018, and I'm the only one here at this spot with a flock of about 1,000 or more Sandhill Cranes and all kinds of ducks. I'm sure there's snow geese nearby, but it is snowing and there's not too many of them flying around. So I'm really enjoying the quiet moment, and I would encourage anyone who has not been to this National Wildlife Refuge to put this trip on your bucket list. It's one of the most spectacular places you can visit in the Southwest, especially during the winter time, to see wildlife like this. Well, I've been coming to the refuge now for nearly 2 decades, and the best time to come is the late part of December, I think, when you might get a snow like this. To see this refuge, I highly recommend you spend the night in Socorro, New Mexico, so you can get up very early before the sun rises and catch the first major flight of about 20 to 30,000 snow geese who have been resting in one of the large areas of water here at the refuge. The refuge is very large. You can spend the whole day here seeing all kinds of birds. There's a wonderful visitor center operated by the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service with cooperation and volunteers from the Friends of the Rio Bosque, or the Bosque del Apache National Wildlife Refuge. They put out a free publication. During the month of November, there's the Sandhill Crane Festival, or it's also called the Festival of the Cranes. It's been going on for years. So you got to just come and see this area. It's kind of cold right now, but normally you don't have this kind of snow. But you definitely need to dress in layers when you come out and visit the refuge during the winter months, which is, by the way, the best time to come. At the refuge, we normally will have over 10,000 Sandhill Cranes, over 20 to 30,000 snow geese. They come here and spend the winter months at the refuge from their breeding grounds in the Arctic and northern Canada and other parts of northern United States, like Yellowstone National Park, where Sandhill Cranes breed during the summer. So this refuge is one of the best run and nicely designed for tourism in the southwestern United States. And you can learn all kinds of information about the refuge by visiting the website of the Friends of the Bosque del Apache, or the Bosque del Apache National Wildlife Refuge website and Facebook page, where you can get all of your questions answered normally in a pretty timely fashion.